Informal salutations. Nicknames made easy. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and fun topic, informal salutations, using nicknames. This is an essential part of conversational English and helps to make our communication more friendly and relaxed. Informal salutations are used in less formal situations or in situations where you are familiar with the person you're addressing. They are often the first word or words in a communication and help set a friendly tone. For example, you might say, "Hey Mike," to a friend or coworker instead of using a more formal greeting like, "Dear Mr. Smith." Using nicknames in your greetings is a common way to establish a friendly, informal tone. A nickname can be a shortened version of a person's name, like Mike for Michael, or Liz for Elizabeth, or it could be a completely different name that you use to address a close friend or family member. When using nicknames, be sure to only use a nickname if you know the person is comfortable with it. Let's go over some examples. Hi Mike, how's your day going? Hey Liz, long time no see. What's up? Nick, ready for the weekend? Hello, Jenny, nice to meet you. Notice the casual tone and relaxed nature of these greetings. They all help to create a more informal, friendly conversation. Try to practice using informal salutations with nicknames in your everyday conversations. Remember, context is key. It's important to use these types of greetings in the right situations, like when chatting with friends or in casual work environments. There you have it, a quick but comprehensive guide to using nicknames in informal salutations. Understanding and properly using these forms of address can add a personal touch to your conversations and make them more engaging. As with everything, practice is crucial. Keep trying out these salutations until they become second nature to you. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.